watching right now, I feel like I need to do this real quick because a lot of shit going on in the world. I got a lot of shit going on up in my mind. I just wanna dedicate this to my grandma right now, man. And I hope that my queen is watching this, and maybe she'll understand my point of view on life and what I done been through. So, grandma, dear grandson, yeah, I see you now. I see you smiling, but I also see you frown. It's alright, man. Keep smiling, cause you're my grandson, and I understand that now. You my blood and my thing through the end. Hold on, grandson. Hold on, grandma. You my grandma, the root of my tree. You my friend. You my queen. I understand this. And I hated that you left me on this earth. I hated that you plugged the plug, but it's alright. Now I kinda understand. You ain't wanna live through that pain and that sorrow no more. Your soul started crying to you. Soul started crying. Grandma. I hear it and I feel it. It's all in me. But I want you to understand, every time I close my eyes, I can see you smile and I can see you frown. But it's alright though. It's alright though. So, now for my queen, now you kind of understand where I'm coming from. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. But I want you to understand that I'm just a young nigga in the making, trying to be a fucking man. Can't do that unless you got me through this bullshit I'm in, I'm trying to be positive, but negative over the calling this positive shit. And I ain't gonna lie to you, baby, I love you. I just want you to trust me. I know a lot of niggas did you wrong in the past, but it's alright. I'm just trying to be a man. I'm trying to be the king of your life and brighten you up. So you can get that crown lighting up. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. Maybe I just want you to know that I love you. And I don't want no one above you. But I want you to also understand that we all make mistakes because we are just human beings. And we are kings and the queens in the making. So with that being said, don't judge me on my past and what I have done. Yeah. Because the next person probably did worse than what I've done. I just want you to know that I'm really trying to make this work. I'm really trying. And to my grandma, I still miss you. I still love you no matter what. I know you in heaven looking down on me. It's alright, I understand. That's why I try to keep a smile on me. Because I know you looking right down on me. You're saying, grandson, I love you. Yeah. Oh man, oh man. And to my future kids, I want you to understand. Psych, I'm just playing. Hey man, I appreciate y'all stopping by and watching this, man. Much love to everybody. I know I'm kind of looking rough right now, but it's alright. I just had to hop on here and do a little poetry for y'all to let y'all know that I'm still got this flow in me. You ain't going nowhere though. One love.